Okay, so we just left our site at Alum Creek, and we're going to our site at Alum Creek. It's about 100 feet, so long drive. But we just left the site, and there's our new site.
You gotta tell them why, though.
There's our new site, right there.
Oh my gosh, so that same guy gonna have to wait for us to...
Gotta flip around, and we're gonna pull in there. But they only had that site for 3 nights, and we have this one for 8, so.
I won't have to move for a while.
Okay, so when we were trying to turn around the trailer to get to our new sites, I think the Adventure Bandits, which is another YouTube channel that we follow, they're from Ohio, and I know they snowbird in Florida for the winter, but they come back up here in the summer. I don't know what time they come back up here, but it's middle of April, so they're probably back up here by now, and I think they're here. I think we just
You are so fanboying right now. Sorry.
All set up here in the new site after moving a grand total of 100 yards, probably. Gotta put our little tag on, but got everything set up. Everything's set up in the new site, so that's cool. This is actually a really nice set. I like this. There's the amphitheater down there, you can see. Nice, pretty private site. Got plants out, but actually a pretty private site. There's not really any sites close. There's some down there. There's nothing this way. Because over this way is the playground and the dump station over that way. So, yeah. Super nice site. We're here for 8 nights in this site. So, total of 11 nights. But everything's set up. We're going to Laundry now and get lunch at McDonald's, which is this one's favorite restaurant. Oh, we're out. We're sleeping. Okay.
While I'm editing.
Cool. Love that. She's asleep. But, oh, look, there's a Kroger there, too. Nice. So, yeah, we are on the way to the laundromat. It's been a long time since I've used a laundromat, but...
Well, it hasn't been since Mount Gilead.
It was a year ago. But...
Like it's been years.
Yeah, so we're on the way to the laundromat and lunchtime. And then we're going to go back and see if that was, in fact, the Adventure Bandits. Hopefully it was. I'm going to be rather upset if it wasn't, I guess. We have quite the load of laundry. There's 2 of these ridiculously large laundry bags.
Before they all judge,
It's been
2 weeks.
It's been, I think, 13 or 14 days. So yes, it's been 2 weeks. But we found...
And we have a toddler.
We found this place. Had decent reviews, and it said that their machines were clean, which is what matters. And then McDonald's is right over there for Carly. So that'll be fun. So while the laundry is running, so we had about 30 minutes. Carly needed lunchies, so McDonald's. He smiles. Carly's favorite is the Happy Meal, of course. Well, laundry's all done. Total with lunch and driving took about 2 hours and 45 minutes. That's not too bad.
No, well, and groceries.
Did 2 weeks worth of laundry, picked up some groceries. Carly got lunch, and we even picked up...
the poor guy that worked there.
Yeah, we confused the guy because we were taking a video of the washer, and he thought I was trying to figure out how to work it. So he came over and told me how to...
No clothes.
He told me how to shut it.
I mean, he was sweet. He was trying to help. He just didn't understand we were trying to do video.
He was super confused.
He was super sweet, though.
Okay, so we just got back from the laundry and lunch, and Carly wanted to go for a bike ride, and we did drive past. It is the Adventure Bandits. They were sitting outside, so we're gonna go try to say hi and see. I don't know, just see if we can get a picture with them. But never met another YouTuber, so that's kind of fun. But coming, Mom? Take a little bike ride. How's it going? You guys are the Adventure Bandits. We recognized your truck from the new video you guys posted. Yeah, I recognized the truck. And then I was like, that sure looks an awful lot like their trailer. Good. We drove, so we had to move sites this morning. We drove past and that's how we saw. I was like, wait a minute. That was in their video. They just posted a video about the truck. Chris, this is Lauren, and Carly's back here. She's chilling. So I just want to say thank you to the Adventure Bandits and Camping with, I think it's Comfers, and those who glamped together, which were the 3 couples that we hung out with. The Adventure Bandits, super nice, ended up inviting us back to the campfire, and we just hung out, and it was really fun. And Carly got to play with their grandkids, which was super cool too. So, but I just want to say, if you guys ever watch this, thank you. We had a lot of fun. So now the weekend's over, and we're just chilling. Carly is playing at the playground. I'm gonna walk up to the camp store, see if we can find a little barbecue and a campfire tonight. Playing on the playground, babies? Burning off a little energy? Uh-huh. Look where our camper is. It's right there. You can see the RV from the playground. Oh, Carly loves to play. Look. Can't believe you know how to go up this, Carly.
Yeah, she stunned me the other day.
You can go up, it's fine. Oh, Carly's. So, I really do like Alum Creek. It's one of my favorite campgrounds, but look at this. We've been in this nature center before. I don't have any footage or anything, but we'll go in one day this week, but super nice in there. But they also have nice playground, but I didn't realize this was here. Maybe it's new. They have one of the little libraries. Did not know that was there. Carly! Carly got a book. I picked it for her. Let's see. Let's see what book I picked. Can I see your book? Can I see your book?
No, you picked it as soon as I see it.
Can I see your book? Oh, that's a good book.
Really? See, there's no one from Mom.
I didn't see any mom books. I didn't look very hard, but I didn't see any mom books. I'm gonna check out the camp store here. Morning.
Oh my God, look up.
Nice. I think we've had that. Ooh. That's... They have my favorite teas.
What?
They have my favorite teas. What are you doing?
She sees them.
It's a Ripley.
One, baby.
It's a different color Ripley.
Grab a different color too.
How do you get on a roll?
Grab one in a different color.
There's 3 different Ripleys. Honey, no. What'd you get?
Another Ripley.
Okay, so this stuffed animal named Ripley. I can't touch it, but can you show the camera Ripley? Can you show the camera Ripley? So this right here, this is Carly's favorite stuffed animal. She got one here at Alum Creek actually last year, and I went so far as to find one on eBay and bought it. So she has 2 of them. We're at the camp store and she found another one, but wait, there's more. She found 2 other colors.
You are so ridiculous.
So now she has 5 of them in 3 different colors.
Yeah. What are you gonna do when she loses one of the gray ones or white ones?
It's fine.
Sure. eBay it up.
Whatever, $30 for the stuffed animals. And mini golf is free. So Carly wanted to play mini golf. So they have a little mini golf course. We're gonna give it a try. Carly, mini golf?
We're trying to earn money to revamp the mini golf area.
Carly, mini golfies?
Oh, it's been in the Grotto pit.
I think that's been there.
Has it?
Yeah, I think it's been there. They have a disc golf area too. It's somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but I know there's a disc golf area too. But we're gonna play some mini golf.
Can you look at the ball?
Hit your ball.
Hit the ball with your club.
You got it. There you go.
Yay!
There you go. Nice. Nice, Carly's. Well, as predicted, I won the golf. Now we're gonna make some dinner and make a campfire. But Carly, who won?
Mom!
Dad.
Mom!
No, Mom didn't win golf. Dad did.
She's like, I was so confused.
I won by 4.
You have
Yeah.
to tell him the score.
I won by 4.
That's fine. Tell him who won air hockey.
Me.
No.
Me.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So now we're gonna barbecue and make a campfire and chill.
We're in the same bed.
Hey, since when do you share beds? This is progress.
Well, it's progress because Franklin's not getting up and Haley's admitted defeat.
I don't know if Franklin just sat there and Bailey just gave up, or if Bailey's starting to like Franklin.
Pretty sure it's option A.
Hi, Franklin's. With Franklin being new, Bailey's not quite sure about Franklin. Bailey's 10 years old and he's a grumpy old man.
Yes, he is. He's a sweet, grumpy old man.
All right, Carly, so your bike didn't come with a push stick, but Daddy thinks that he can change that.
What's a push stick?
So it's like a parent assist rod to be able to push her bike without bending over because it hurts my back.
Yeah, it killed mine too.
Okay, look at this little piece of engineering genius. This is a fire poker that is grip tied to the seat and the frame.
I don't know that I was going for genius on that.
It totally works.
It works, but that's a tall accolade.
And push her bike and not bend over. Gonna go look at the water and test out this new drone. So it's a Mavic Mini. It should be good for traveling, but Carly's all ready. There she is. So gonna head down to the beach now. So we made it down to the beach. We played here a lot last year when we came here, but it's a nice little camper beach. It's only for campground access. They have a main public beach. I think it's over there, but I'm not sure. But little campground beach here. We are gonna try to fly this drone. So there's a Mavic Mini. We're gonna see how it does. All right. So these fold out. Down. There it is. It's just a little dude. And it's got a little spot in here. Little joysticks. It's kind of cool. Sweet. So that should be it. Should be ready to fly. All right. So got everything set up here. You can see the app down there with the drone. It says we're good to fly. We've got little DJ Mini here. DJ Junior. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Let's see how she goes.
Hold on, babies.
There's us.
Who's that, Carly? Look at her.
Carly, wave.
Carly, go hi.
It's pretty solid. It's not moving at all. That's cool.